Comparative fault versus contributory negligence in Denver motorcycle accidents. In the bustling city of Denver, motorcycle accidents are unfortunately a common occurrence. When these accidents happen, determining fault and allocating responsibility becomes crucial in the pursuit of justice and compensation. In legal terms, two key concepts come into play: comparative fault and contributory negligence. Understanding comparative fault. Comparative fault, often referred to as comparative negligence, is a nuanced legal principle designed to distribute the blame for an accident among multiple parties based on their respective degrees of negligence. When a motorcycle accident occurs in Denver, the court undertakes a meticulous examination of the actions of all parties involved. Each party's level of negligence is assessed, and a percentage of fault is assigned accordingly. The advantage of comparative fault is its capacity to deliver a fair and equitable distribution of responsibility and compensation. In cases where multiple parties share the blame, victims can receive a portion of the damages commensurate with their degree of fault. However, it's important to note that not all jurisdictions follow comparative fault principles, and the specific laws can vary. Some states use a modified comparative fault system, where individuals can only seek compensation if their degree of fault falls below a certain threshold, typically 50%. Exploring contributory negligence. Contributory negligence is a legal doctrine that takes a significantly more stringent stance compared to comparative fault. In jurisdictions that follow contributory negligence rules, even a minor contribution to an accident, as low as 1% at fault, can entirely bar a plaintiff from seeking any compensation. Contributory negligence is a legal doctrine that places a heavy burden on accident victims. Essentially, it means that if you are found even slightly responsible for an accident, you may be left without any legal recourse for your injuries, medical bills, or property damage. Denver follows a comparative fault system, which offers a more equitable approach compared to contributory negligence. This means that even if you, as a motorcyclist, share some degree of responsibility for an accident, you can still seek compensation, provided your level of fault does not exceed the threshold set by law. In the event of a motorcycle accident in Denver, it's crucial to consult with an experienced motorcycle accident attorney who can navigate the complexities of comparative fault. Navigating the legal landscape of motorcycle accidents, especially when comparative fault principles are at play, can be challenging. Seeking the counsel of a knowledgeable attorney can make a substantial difference in the outcome of your case. An attorney can help you understand your rights, evaluate your degree of fault, and pursue the compensation you rightfully deserve. Remember that legal matters can be complex, so it's always advisable to seek professional legal counsel when dealing with motorcycle accidents in Denver. Conclusion. In Denver, the choice between comparative fault and contributory negligence can make a significant difference in the outcome of a motorcycle accident case. Understanding the legal principles that apply to your situation is essential for ensuring you receive the compensation you deserve. Yes, an experienced attorney can assist you in negotiating a fair settlement in a comparative fault case, ensuring you receive appropriate compensation for your injuries and losses.